why does good things happen to bad people and bad things happen to good people? I used to wonder as a child, when I used to put my efforts, when I used to give my 100% to something, and then there used to be this bad guy, this bully, who used to get that opportunity. I used to ask myself, how the hell is this happening? I'm honest, I'm true, I'm putting my efforts, and yet this worthless, undeserving bugger got the opportunity and I failed. So this question, which we all ask ourselves as a child, comes out even when we grow up. Even at the age of 20 or 30 or 40 or 50, when something bad happens to you, you wonder, I have been righteous, I have been honest, I have been truthful, I have given my efforts, I have been noble, I have not taken any shortcut, which is unlawful or unethical. And yet, I am suffering in my life, nothing good is happening with me, my life is not progressing, and then there is this bad guy, a corrupted person, who is enjoying all the comforts and luxuries of life. How is this possible? Is there no God? Is nobody seeing this? Is there no justice? How the hell can this happen? So I have got the answer for this, and I am about to reveal to you guys why this happens. So hey guys, this is Purab from Astrology, Purab's Astrology, and let's get started guys. So this is going to be a bit philosophical, right? So if it gets boring, skip the video. But if you watch it till the end, then you will get to learn something beautiful about life. So the choice is yours. When a person is born, the way he looks, the family in which he is born, the quality of education which he shall receive, everything is not destined but according to our karmas. Whatever karmas we have done in our previous lifetimes, the accumulation of those karmas combine, and the end result is our birth to fulfill our unfulfilled desires and also reap the fruits of our negative and positive actions. So there are three types of karmas: Sanchit karma, Kriyaman karma, and Prarabdha karma, right? So Sanchit karma is the repository of karma in our previous life. Kriyaman karma is the karma that we are doing, and Prarabdha karma is the manifestation of the karma which is about to get fulfilled. So in your previous life, if you had been a person who was bad, who was negative, who exploited his resources, who hurt people, who did injustice, who snatched away other people's things, right? Who hurt other people emotionally and physically, who cursed other people. So if you have been a negative person, and if you have exploited the resource which was given to you in the previous life, then those resources get exhausted, right? And when those resources get exhausted, what happens is, in this life, you are born to feel the lack of those things which you have wasted in your previous life. So you are born as a person who is really good, who is honest, who is truthful, who is hardworking, who has never done anything unlawful or illegal, and yet you go through failures and failures and failures and disappointments, because in your previous life you were given a full cup of tea, but you didn't use that full cup of tea properly. You started snatching other people's cup of tea. So in this life you are born with an empty cup of tea, right? What about the other way around? What about the negative people who are doing so much negativity, who are causing havoc in the lives of people, are surviving, are enjoying riches, wealth, money, name, fame, power, authority, everything they have, because they have been bestowed, because of their past life karmas, with a full cup of tea, right? So they are given the choice and they are given the resources. Here, take this. You have been given and you are blessed with all these things because you worked for it in your previous life. Now it's up to you how you are going to use it. You are going to go to a better place than this, or you are going to exploit them and go to a worse place than this. Imagine a cycle, right? When you pedal a cycle at full speed and then suddenly you stop pedaling, still the cycle continues to go for a particular amount of distance, right? So that particular amount of distance where you're not giving any efforts, but the cycle is continuing to take you to that point, is your Sanchit karma, or the good karmas that you did in your previous life. But everything has a limit, guys. So if you feel that you are a person who is suffering and suffering and suffering, who is deserving and yet not getting the opportunity, and when you see somebody who doesn't deserve anything but he's getting things continuously through fate, remember this, that the pedal needs to be pedaled righteously, right? So you keep pedaling your life's destiny righteously. There will be delays, there will be frustration, there will be hardships, but you will succeed in life. After a particular amount of time, when your karmas will burn, you will shine like gold. In order to make a beautiful ring, the gold has to be heated first, melted first, hammered, and then only it will take the shape of a beautiful ring, right? So remember that, guys. So for the good people, continue to be good, guys. The moment your karmas are burnt, you will take off. For the bad people, keep flying, but always have your eyes down and always make sure that your aviation fuel is filled, because if you misuse what you have got, your flight is going to be like this and then down. So why does good things happen to bad people and bad things happen to good people? Because of your past life karmas. Whatever you have today, you deserve it. Whatever you don't have today, you don't deserve it, but that doesn't mean you will never get it. You will get it if you keep trying and trying and trying. कितनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि पूरे दुनिया ने तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है. So that's it for today, guys. This is Purab signing off from Purab's Astrology. I love you all. Adios, guys.